Hey, what's up? Good morning, mechanics. Today, we're going to do the Just Egg review. I've finally been able to get my hands on this stuff. I've been waiting and waiting. I messaged Hampton Creek or Just for All 1,000 times trying to get this, but whatever. I got it now. I bought it at Roots Market out in Clarksville, Maryland. It was priced at about $7, I think. So I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's get right into the review. Alright, so I'm about to cook this egg up and let's see what we get, you know what I mean? I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna try to do a scramble first and then I'll do try to do an omelet. Put a little vegan butter up in this joint. Add just a little bit more. I think I have this flame a little too high. Add a little of my Old Bay seasoning, because that's how I used to eat my eggs, and a tad bit of seasoning salt. Alright, so I got it all done. So I made a scramble and also made like an omelet of sort. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep the part of the video where I was struggling to make it. But let's see what's going on with this stuff here. Here's my first honest try of it. So it's not as like hard cooked as you would think, but it's done. So let's see what it's like. My mouth is watering. It smells pretty good. Yo! Like no joke here. This is actually good. Like, I know a lot of people, I've seen some reviews where people say this is not good. They don't know how to cook. This tastes just like the eggs that I used to eat. Wow. Wow.
Mayonnaise! Wow! Wow! Yeah! Wow! Wow!
Like, just get another look. I can't fake that. This is really tasty. I'm gonna make some for my kids later. I might not even put this review up till I get my kids in it. Like, wow! Hold on, man. Like, y'all should be doing a dance for me. This is how good this is. Now let me try the omelet. I added a little vegan cheese to it. Let's see what this cheese hitting like. Let's see what this is hitting like. Oh my gosh. If you're looking for a cholesterol-free, egg-free, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, oh my gosh. I've tried every single vegan egg there is. Tofu scramble, the other vegan egg company, I won't say their name, but I've tried them. I tried them all. This is like the real thing, real deal. This right here, this will level you up. In the grand scheme of things, I'm gonna rate this vegan egg 10 eggs out of 10 eggs. Of course, you know. I'm gonna rate this vegan egg 10 out of 10. Like, for real. Hampton Creek, Just for All, whatever your name is anymore. Y'all need to send me about a case of this. This is on my market list for now on. Like, I eat a lot of different foods and try a lot of different stuff. And sometimes I might get it every once in a while. Like, you know, I keep my staples in the house as far as like potatoes, rice, broccoli, spinach, stuff like that. This is like my every week market list now. Like, I have to keep this in the house. It's so good. Thank you, Roots Market. I was just checking my nails. They're a little dirty, you know what I mean? I'm a mechanic, if you didn't realize. Oh my gosh. And it seems to keep the heat pretty good. Like, you know, traditional eggs would get cold pretty fast. I don't know if you can see this, but that's like steam coming off of it. It's like hot. My gosh. I can't wait till the kids come home. I'm gonna make some for them. And let's see what they think. That'll be a separate video. So, I used a lot of it. It's almost gone. The materials inside separate, so you're gonna want to shake it up before you cook it. It says it on the back, shake well. I'll keep the instructions on the, not instructions, but the ingredients. I'll put it in the description below because I know I was here. What's the ingredients? It's not a lot of salt. 150 milligrams of salt. Let's see. Cholesterol, 0. Calories, 45. This is good. Like, just ain't, you guys nailed it. This was worth the wait. This is a 12-ounce bottle. I got it at Roots Market. I'm sorry. I know y'all probably think I'm faking. But it was incredible. Excuse me. It's incredible. Woo. Like, I put this is on that same level of excitement as I had when I had the Beyond Meat sausage for the first time. Like, they're equally as incredible. Like, I feel like I need to go get some Beyond sausage, cook it, put this in it. My God, I'm fucking, excuse my language. I am I can't even get it out. I'm so hungry. I mean, so happy. I will be transitioning people to veganism literally by that sausage and this egg single-handedly. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you see this in your market, try it. You see what I put in mine. Some seasoned salt and Old Bay, just the way I used to make my eggs before I went vegan. You guys can do the same way. Tag me in your pictures at @the_vegan-mechanic. Let me see what you got. Let me see how you cook, and I'll feature you in my stories for sure. And yeah, eat grass, not ass. Like, subscribe, share this with all your friends so they can know how good the vegan egg was. Peace out. I need some more of that.